How to create room here on Timo Club. So hey guys, on today's video I'll be teaching you how to create a room in Timo Club. To create a room in Timo Club, all we need to do is open up our Timo Club right here. So here at our Timo Club, to create ourselves a room, and right now, so you and your friends can have a chat or a talk. Can be like a friendly conversation or whatnot. Here all we need to do is open up our Timo Club right here, and here click on messages. At the personal messages right there, next thing we need to do right now is click on the top. You'll see my room. Press on my room right there, and here once you click on my room right here, you will see create my room. There you go. As you see right now, create my room. Press the plus icon right there, create my room. So now we can create our room right there. As you can see, you can change the name. We can put the room's name to cool room. There you go. Party room, and we can put in two, I don't know what they say, two mics. So we can party room, so on and so forth, microphone. Then click on start to party, then go activate. So we need to activate this. Oh yeah, we activate that. Allow, blah blah blah, allow this. Wait, did I allow my look? Oh, that's fine. Anyways, there we go. As you can see, continue to win rewards, blah blah blah. Yeah, there you go. As you can see right now, we are here at our room. Skip intro, and then as you can see right here, oh my gosh, bro, there you go. As you can see, we have our, it's just giving us the quick tutorial. And then there you go. As you can see right now, we have ourselves our room right here in Timo Club. So yeah, there you guys, that's how you do it. That's how you create your room here at Timo Club. Hope you guys enjoyed. If you have any question, concerns, let me know question below, guys. Happy to answer as soon as possible here on Guide Glimpse. Thank you guys.